patio, couches, sun loafers. We just checked into the airport, got through security. My credit card, I have access to the lounge. I get about 4 visits a year with my credit card. About to walk into the lounge area. Get some drinks if you want. Got some like eggs and shit, some potatoes, some sausage. Much more comfortable waiting in the common area. Say yo, we're here with the man, bro. We're at the guys just boarding, about to take off soon. Cool, you know, 4 hours and 10-minute flight, 4.5 hour flight. Let's get it. So yeah, this is a little private terrace that is included with Airbnb. Totally private, has a washroom up here. Obviously you have your patio, couches, sun loafers, and then you have the heated and jetted jacuzzi, and then the nice views. Loving this Airbnb. Okay, so we just got into our Airbnb, nice modern place, 2 bedrooms, 3 beds. Something simple, something just need for the night. Staying here in Punta Cana for a night, and then we are going to Santo Domingo tomorrow. Simple. Getting our phones right and everything. Here, and SIM card here. So when you come to these countries, always get like a local SIM card because it's cheaper. If you use like your international roaming, you're gonna pay like $15–20 a day. Whereas like you come to like a local SIM card place and spend about $7 for a week. You know, so just giving you guys some tips for how to save money when you're traveling. Nice gated community here in Punta Cana. Just staying here for a night. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, Punta Cana that surprised me. Like, I've always thought like Punta Cana was a spot like where just a whole bunch of like tourists and not much locals, but like honestly I'm loving the vibe out here. So we're in Copacabana here in Punta Cana, downtown Punta Cana. We're gonna walk around, show you guys the vibes, yo. The team is out here out and clean. It's a Thursday, so a little quiet, but people are still outside. We're out here.
I noticed a nigga watching you.
Drinking a Presidente and Dominican Republic.
Taking in everybody. Estamos aquí en downtown Punta Cana. Cheers. That's about to go to the casino and lose. Yeah. I know. Guys are about to come in here and lose. Good time here, downtown Punta Cana. I know these two had a good time, made some money in the casino. Weird life. Hey.
honestly, it's not too bad. You get used to it. Yeah, you get used to it. At first, I'm not gonna lie. At first, it was kind of cold, but then you get used to it. Jeez. Woo. You're a lineman, bro. Yo, it was kind of cold when I first hopped in, but you get used to it. Okay. So before you came here, like DR, Punta Cana, you know what I mean? Like you probably had a certain perspective of like how Dominican Republic was, right?
I would expect like people to be
Living in the bushes.
not living in the bushes. I just expect people to be like, you know, a little bit more like not accepting of foreigners, but they seem to not really care. Like everyone's just minding their business, doing what they're doing.
Yeah.
But I guess because this is a tourist city, they're just used to it. You know? It might be different in the next one. It might be different in Santo Domingo. But I like this.
I wasn't expecting the gated community. That's
Oh yeah, I seen the pictures, bro. I expected it. I actually didn't know we were staying in a gated community, so the surprise was that. But like, I know they have it. Even when we're leaving the airport, I was looking at the infrastructure. It's really nice, man. It's well developed and it's clean too. That was surprising me a little bit. It's a little bit more clean than what I expected. A little bit more clean. Yeah. Unlike where I came from, I'm not gonna say no names. You guys been seeing garbage in the road, but that's another story,
right? Bro,
this is actually nice and clean.
Bro, I'm telling you,
I can just chill out here tonight. Yo, honestly, I actually miss that drink now.
Bro, me too, bro.
I sit down here with my music and take a sip and enjoy this.
Listen, listen. My favorite thing to do when I'm here in DR, I literally just sit on the balcony, listen to my music, and just drink a Presidente or drink a drink, and that's it. Like, you know.
Be like this right now. But I wish I was here for another day.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, Punta Cana, I owe you guys an apology because I'm always like, yeah, Punta Cana ain't it, the tourist areas ain't it, but I'm not gonna lie, like the vibe is a lot more local than I expected. I just thought it was just like a tourist area, you know what I mean? So, yeah, but yeah, man, like check out the views, gated community, you know.